The coordinate plane Pre-6 lesson notes. Example number 3. A rectangle has vertices at -3, 5, 4, 5, and 4, -4. What is the ordered pair that locates the fourth vertex? So we are talking about a rectangle. Go ahead and underline the word rectangle. Over here I drew two different rectangles. Obviously there's a bunch of different types of rectangles. I just drew one where the longer side was going horizontally and then one where the longer side is going vertically. Anyways, you see these marks that are on here? That means that those sides are congruent. So the two I just circled are congruent to one another. If they're congruent, that means their measurements are equal. And then these two sides would be congruent to one another, and their measurements are equal. So in a rectangle, opposite sides are congruent. Opposite sides are also parallel. They're congruent and they are parallel. And then the best part about a rectangle is that each angle is 90 degrees. That's what these boxes here in the corner mean. So each angle is 90 degrees. Take a moment, pause your video, and draw those two figures, and don't forget to put the tick marks on it. Okay, so now I want you to pause your video, and I want you to plot -3, 5, 4, 5, and 4, -4 on the coordinate plane that is provided. All right, so right there should be -3, 5. So check to make it sure it's in the correct spot. I would just check it from this point here. To the left 3 and down 1. And then this point over here is 4, 5. So I'll go over 4 and down 1 to check it. And the last point is down here. That is 4, -4. So I would maybe go from the corner here over 3 up 2 to check it. All right. Now those are 3 of the vertices. Okay, now vertices would be like that corner, that tip. So now I'm going to connect them. Use your straight edge that you were given to connect these. Excuse me. All right, now we need to find the fourth vertex. Opposite sides are parallel. So because this side runs along the grid line, the side over here will run along the grid line. Because this one runs along the grid line, the side over here will run along the grid line. And each angle is 90 degrees. So that means what I would like you to do is I would like you to go from this top left point and extend a line as far as you can downward. You can go a little bit past the grid lines, that's fine. Then I want you to go to the bottom right corner and do the same going this direction. Where those two points, or those two lines intersect, is the point of the fourth vertex. So now I'm going to draw a solid line. Actually, I'm not even going to bother with the solid line. Let's just leave it like that. And then where they intersect, so at this point right here, that is your fourth vertex. So that is all the work, right? What we did right there is the work to find the fourth vertex. But now we actually have to state the ordered pair for that fourth vertex. Well, we go to the left 3, and then we go down 4. To the left 3, then down 4. So to the left, would be -3, and then down would be -4. So the final answer to example 3 is -3, -4. Pause your video, make sure you have everything down that I have down. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Sorry, one more thing. Do me a favor and put a circle around this so you understand that that's where we found, well, maybe, our fourth vertex. So put a circle around it. That's where we found our fourth vertex. Okay, again, if you have any questions for example 3, please do not hesitate to ask.